Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a file in E Sarkar. First, navigate to the E Sarkar portal and log in with your credentials. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the dashboard to easily find your documents. Identifying the correct file is crucial before proceeding. Ensure you have the necessary administrative rights or permissions to perform deletion actions within the system. After locating your file, select it by clicking the corresponding checkbox or file icon. Look for a Delete button or an option within a drop-down menu, often represented by a trash can icon. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the file. Read this prompt to understand the implications of your action. Before finalizing the deletion, double-check that the file is truly obsolete and not required for any ongoing tasks. Consider if other documents or processes depend on this file, deleting it might affect them. Remember, once a file is deleted in E Sarkar, it is often permanently removed and cannot be easily recovered. Exercise caution with this powerful function. After confirming the deletion, refresh your page or log out and back in to verify the file is no longer visible. If it still appears, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. For those interested in improving their financial understanding, The Simple Path to Wealth is an excellent resource. Check the description below for a link to this book, along with other helpful deals and information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.